This is a strength class to help you find balance between that push energy and the relaxation energy so you feel more centered. So start by equalizing the breath, the inhale and the exhale, breathing in for 4 counts and breathing out for 4 counts. Bring yourself to hands and knees and inhale, lift up through head and tailbone. Exhale, drop head and tailbone. And keep going like this through cat and cow. See if you can stretch equally through the front and the back of the body. Feeling your body in this moment, feeling your breath deepen. Come to a straight spine. Tuck the toes under and we will now hover the knees off the floor, keeping shoulders over wrists, belly button squeezed to spine, and long and deep breath. Feel this intensity build and see if you can breathe into it. This is the yang energy, that push energy. Breathe deeply in. And as you exhale, send your bum to your heels, return to child's pose. And feel that release, the yin energy, the relaxation energy. Breathing in and out. Come forwards to tabletop, tuck the toes under. And again, let's lift up into a hovering tabletop. Spread the fingers and thumbs wide. Draw the shoulders back. And allow that intensity to build, but keep breathing deeply. Slowly bring the knees down, return to child's pose, and see if you can slide your fingers a little bit further forwards and take a deeper breath in and out. And bring yourself all the way up to a stand into your forward fold and roll up. We will come into our lunges now. So step the right foot back, press the front heel into the floor, squeeze the abdominals in and lower the back knee down towards the floor, keeping front knee over ankle. Press through the front foot and slide that right knee up to balance. And right foot back to lunge and then stepping forwards to balance. Now keep the abdominals squeezing tightly as you do this. Focus on that front foot pressing into the floor and keep your mind positive about balance. Know that your body is strong and you can balance. You can slide the foot along the floor if that feels better for you. And you can take the lunge not as deep if that's nicer for your knees today. And bring the right foot down to the floor. And we change sides, stepping the left foot back to lunge. Push into the front foot, balance, squeezing the right glute, squeezing abdominals. So we're doing this nice and slowly and mindfully so you can work on your technique and ensure that it's your legs, your bum and your abdominals working and the front knee stays over the ankle. take a deep breath in. Exhale, bring that left knee to chest. Bring the left leg back. And pushing into the right heel, squeeze that left knee to chest. And then we can slowly bring our left foot to the floor and come down into a Malasana squat. If this doesn't work for your knees, you can bring your fingertips to the floor and keep the hips high as you need. Wherever you are, close the eyes down. Breathe down into your belly. And feel those hips opening, the root chakra awakening. Lower back decompressing. Come all the way to stand. And then come back down to the floor to hands and knees. Extend the right leg back off the floor. Extend the left arm forwards to Superwoman. Exhale, bring the elbow and knee to touch. Inhale to extend, belly button to spine. Exhale to touch. Inhale, spreading fingers and toes. Holding the arm and leg out and bringing the hand and knee down to the floor. And let's switch sides. So now extend back through your left leg and right arm, squeezing abdominals in. Exhale, bring the elbow and knee to touch. Inhale, extend. Exhale to touch. Inhale, extend. Exhale to touch. Inhale, extend. And exhale to touch. Inhale, extend. Exhale to touch. And extend. And holding out. Breathing deeply, belly button squeezes to spine. And then bring the hand and knee down to the floor. Bring yourself down to lie on your back. Knees coming into the chest, taking a rock of the knees from side to side. Bringing the knees into a right angle position. And extend the right leg out. Squeezing belly button in. Inhale, right knee to chest. Exhale, extend left leg, pressing the back into the floor. Inhale, left knee in. Exhale, right leg extends out, spread the toes. Belly button squeezes in. Inhale, right knee in. Exhale, left leg extends out. Inhale. Exhale, extend. Inhale. Exhale, left leg extends. Inhale. Exhale, right leg extends. Inhale. Exhale, left leg extends. Inhale. Exhale, right leg extends. Inhale. Exhale, left leg extends. Inhale. Bring the feet to the floor. Extend the legs out long. Come to your Shavasana. Finding that balance now as we drop into our relaxation. Not making any effort. Just breathing easy. Feeling the sensations of your entire body in this moment. And equalizing the length of your inhale and your exhale. So bring yourself up to a seated position, closing the eyes down. Take a deep breath in and out. Thank you for joining me today. I hope to see you for more. My name is Alice Bowmaker.